It's mainly used for cold band packing of all kinds of light and thin plastic, black and non-ferrous scrap, so that it can form compact, cuboid block, which facilitates storage and transportation. It's an ideal equipment for metal scrap treatment in steel plant, non-ferrous metal plant, and smelter. 1. With a rotating cover tape structure, the opening area of the material box is large and is especially convenient for the feeding of large and empty thin materials. 2. The moving parts are driven by hydraulic pressure, and the work condition is smooth. The packing pressure is large, the bundles are tight, and the packing efficiency is high. 3. The operation of the manual reversing valve is simple, convenient, safe, and reliable. The working principle: materials to be packed are added to the feeding box. Close the door cover for preloading. And make the door cover does not float in the compression locking head. The compression of the material is carried out with the advance of the side cylinder, so that the material in the box is formed initially. When the side pressure is sent and the main cylinder advances, after the stock is in place, the material will finally form a package block. The main cylinder will return with the side pressure oil cylinder after 2 to 3 seconds. Then open the door cover and use a manipulator to grip the packing block discharge box. This completes a work cycle. If the feeding box continues to feed, the machine will enter the next work cycle.